Good afternoon, my friends from Nigeria. I want to show us how to purchase any cryptocurrency or USDT, for example, on Binance through the peer-to-peer platform. That's the P2P platform. Okay, you open your Binance app. I'm using the Binance app. You move to your wallet, and on the wallet, you check the top. You have to search for, just scroll to P2P. Can you see that up there? That's P2P here. Okay, you scroll right there, or you click it. It brings you to this page. All right, I want to buy USDT. I'm going to click on USDT, and it brings me here, and then I have to click buy because I want to buy. So if you want to sell it, then you click on sell. So I'm buying. These are the list of the sellers that are currently in the market selling their coin. Okay, I have to scroll to a buyer that has my own quantity, and you have to be very fast because this page gets updated every 30 seconds. So this is the minimum buy amount that this guy wants you to buy, and this is the max that he has, as well as this guy says you have to buy 200, and this is the limit, and so on and so forth. Okay, and you have to take note of this guy is saying bank transfer. All of them actually on this page are saying bank transfer. Okay, so you have to look for the one that offers coin in the range you want to buy. I'm buying 28,000 naira worth of USDT. So I click on this guy. You have to be extra fast because so many people are right there looking for so you click looking for who to buy from. So at a very small amount of money per USDT. So I have 28,500,000 to buy, and I click buy. And so it has brought me to this page. On this page, you have to read through. You have to read through to ensure that you are buying the right thing. So you can see Binance has locked the seller's crypto. That's the seller's USDT. You cannot move it out and just collect your money and run away. As well, Binance offers a 24/7 customer support, and this is the amount of naira value of USDT you want to buy. You are buying at that price up there. You are buying at that price up there, and then this, you see the USDT you are purchasing. So you go straight to payment page. There you are. It has brought you to the payment page. Just copy the guy's account details by clicking on this link. Just click on that box to copy the account number, and then the guy's name is Ifeanyi Chukwu Ofili. You have copied the account number, then his bank name is Kuda, and then there we go. You go straight up to transfer. Let me go and do that. I'll pause the video so that we can come back, not to waste our time. Guys, so you having transferred the fund to the guy, you have to be very careful. You must transfer your fund within this time, and more so when paying this guy, you don't write purchase of USDT, purchase of BTC, purchase of BNB or Ethereum. No, commercial bankers will detect and then will freeze your account. You don't do that in Nigeria because currently the Nigerian government has instructed them to not make transactions concerning crypto. So if they spot that in your description, they are going to freeze your account. And so you just put your name. Okay, and having done that, let's perform our transaction. We have to do that before Binance cancels this transaction. We have just 9 minutes to go, so let's be in a rush. Let's hurry up. So you go to transferred, notify seller, and so this is done. So before the crypto is released to us, let's just run through the page and see what we have there. So okay, this is what I am expecting. I've transferred this. I'm expecting this unit of USDT from this guy, and within maximum time is within 15 minutes to 30 minutes, that guy will release our USDT to our P2P account. Why? Because if it does not, Binance will freeze his account, will investigate and freeze his account. Once you appeal, you have the appeal button here. If it does not release, you click the button, you type to Binance, the audit team will audit the transaction, and if they find him guilty, you can see within 2 minutes the guy has confirmed and accepted. All right, so that's how he gets notified. So I've just been notified that my transaction has been completed. The guy has released it into my wallet. So this wallet is my P2P wallet, not my spot wallet. There's a difference between the two. The spot wallet is where you buy and sell, and that's your trading wallet where you hold your coins. But the P2P wallet is the wallet where you sell from one person to the other, you and I selling platform. That's it. So having done that, I click on check my wallet just to see what I've bought, and there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, and so what you have to do is you have to transfer it from this P2P wallet. You transfer it to your spot wallet. So there, let me analyze this page for you. Okay, this funding is the P2P wallet called funding account or funding wallet. Here I have my spot wallet. That's where I move it to begin to buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Tezos, etc. Okay, so I move it. So I'm not transferring this to my spot wallet. I didn't buy BTC. I bought USDT. So you click on that and then you change to USDT. And then here, because I do not have BTC, I have zero balance. And so here, when you click this, if you have any balance, everything pops out here. All right, let's go to USDT. So I check here, and then you can see USDT there. Whatever coin you buy will be you just have to search it through your search history up there. But I bought USDT. I'm going to click USDT, and there it has appeared, and I have this. I'm transferring everything to my spot wallet. Okay, and then you click transfer. Wow, it has gone to my it has cleared. It just cleared, and then you scroll up, 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 you scroll up to your spot wallet. From here, I am here right now. You scroll to this place, and then you click on spot to take you to your spot wallet. And voila, there we are. Okay, there we are. That's it in your spot wallet. Now you can use it to trade other coin, to buy and hold other coin. Yeah, that's just it. Thank you. Like my like my YouTube channel, subscribe, click the bell, drop comments, like it, keep referring people. Thank you.